smart speakers are fast becoming an important part of the market, and customers adopt speakers like Assistant and Alexa from left to right. Now, a new report states that Google is slowly reaching Alexa, while Apple is far behind the rest of the package. Google Home debuted for the first time at the end of 2016 in a market that was already gaining followers thanks to the Amazon Echo. Since Amazon had an advantage of almost 2 years, the company led sales and market share enormously, and that continues today. However, previous reports have shown that Google is gaining ground, and this latest report gives us a good overview of the state of this market. During the first quarter of this year, Google managed to sell around 2.4 million Google Home devices that represent 26.5% of the total market share. That is a massive increase compared to the same period last year, where Google only sold 0.3 million units, a 709% increase year after year.